Mr. Parsekar also asked Mr. Kamath whether there was any monitoring of the financial assistance provided to institutions and individuals for organizing cultural programs.
हे संस्थांक आणि इंडिव्हिज्युअल्सांक फायनान्शियल असिस्टन्स दिलो वता. जी संख्या प्रचंड मोठी आसा, अमाउंट भरपूर मोठे आसा. गेल्या 3 वर्षांत पहिल्या वर्सा 69,40,000 गेला. In the year 2005-2006, in the subsequent year 2006-2007, it is 1,31 lakhs and something. In the year 0708, it is 1,54 lakhs, 35,000 and something. म्हाका जाणून घेवंक जाय की येदी मोठी रक्कम आमी जेन्ना इंडिव्हिज्युअलाक किंवा खंयच्या तरी संस्थेक दितात, मागीर काही संस्थांक 1 लाख, 2 लाख, 3 लाख, 5 लाख सुद्धा दिल्ले आसा, 9 लाख पर्यंत पावल्ले आसा. म्हाका जाणून घेवंक जाय की अमाउंट दिता आसतना कितें निकश आसतात तुमचे, आणि अमाउंट दिल्या नंतर प्रत्यक्ष तेचें युटिलायजेशन जालां की ना, आमचो हेतू साध्य जाला की ना, हे पळोवपाचें कितें आसा तुमचे कडेन.
आणि फंक्शन जातकीर दे हॅव टू गिव अस युटिलायजेशन सर्टिफिकेट. त्या भायर आमी थोडी कंडिशन्स घालता की अशा फेस्टिवलाक 50% आर्टिस्ट हे गोंयकार आसपाक जाय. पयलीं सगळे भायले हाडून करताले, आमी म्हटलां की किमान 50% आर्टिस्ट लोकल आर्टिस्टांक एक एनकरेज करपा खातीर हे 50% आर्टिस्ट लोकल दिवचे. आणि त्या भायर प्रत्येक कडेन वी इन्सिस्ट की तांणी घालचे सगळ्या हाजेर की इन असोसिएशन विथ डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ आर्ट अँड कल्चर अशें एक बॅनर तांणी लावचो मिनिमम, अशी एक अपेक्षा आसता.
Speaking on the issue, the leader of the opposition, Manohar Parrikar, sought a cap on the total amount to be spent by the Art and Culture Department.
पैसे दिवपाक आमची हरकत ना. एक म्हणजे ते योग्य जाग्यार पावूंक जाय. दुसरे खंयच्याय गजालीक एक मर्यादा आसची पडटा. एके वटेन थंय हळण सायडीक हत्ती नाचले म्हणून 11,32,000 नुकसान अंदूच्या वर्साचे अजून पर्यंत शेतकऱ्याक मेळून ना. अंदूच्या वर्साचे 7 लाख उरल्या दिवपाचे ना. तुमचो रिप्लाय आसा.
एक मिनिट
रिप्लाय आसा असेंब्लीन.
रिप्लाय टू दिस.
स्पीकर सर, असेंब्लीतलो रिप्लायचेर हांव उलयतां. आय एम रेडी टू चॅलेंज ऑन इट. म्हाका रिप्लाय म्हाका लागना. म्हाका असेंब्लीन रिप्लाय दिला तो खरो मानता. तातूंत मागीर फटींगपणां आसत जाल्यार ती तुमी पळोवची. स्पीकर सर, आय एम कोटिंग फ्रॉम द असेंब्ली रिप्लाय. ताज्या नंतर ताजेर बरयला 4 लाखाचे चेक आयल्या म्हणून, पण ते प्रत्यक्ष दिले भरून ताजेर, पण 7 लाख आशिल्ले टोटल, म्हणजे 3 लाख अजुनूय उरता. ते 4 लाखाचे चेक दिले अशें गृहीत धरले वताले. 11,37,000 ह्या वर्साच्या ते लोकांक दिवपाक आमी कितलेचे कितले लायता. आनी हांगा एका फंक्शनाक 9,95,000 सुद्दां दिल्ल्या. म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी सेन्स ऑफ प्रोपोर्शन ना जाल्यार मागीर सगळी फक्त आमी गाणी आयकतच रावप अशी परिस्थिती गोंयांत जातली. हे जावंक जाय. म्हज्या काळानूच सुरू जालें.
The leader of the opposition, Manohar Parrikar, was also able to get an assurance from the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath to revive the financial assistance to Goa broadband network.
स्पीकर सर, या संदर्भात काल मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी काही विषय सांगलेले आसा, म्हणून आयज उरलेले थोड्याशा वेळात म्हाका इतलेच एश्युरन्स जाय की ही वील रिव्यू completely the financial cost involved before taking a decision in the matter. There's hardly 1 minute, so I want this assurance.
No, I'm on record yesterday in the House that I will review entire thing and I will take all the sections in the confidence also. I have said that we'll call the leaders of the parties later because it is a very important decision in the interest of the state.
In a shameful incident that degrades the very value of human life, a newborn baby was found abandoned near the government school at Zuari Nagar, Vasco, early this morning. The baby was noticed by a resident at around 8 a.m. who then informed the Vasco police immediately. The police then rushed to the site and picked up the infant who was wrapped in a plastic bag. The baby was then shifted to the Cottage Hospital, Chikali, Vasco. Speaking to Goa 365, the Deputy Collector and SDM, Marmagoa Taluka, Levinson Martins, said that the police have registered the case against an unknown woman and necessary action will be taken.
Found in the sense baby can be lost or baby can be deliberately abandoned. If somebody abandons, the onus lies on the parent, the mother. Now here is the case. This particular baby is an infant, just newly born. So obviously it has been abandoned. It can be presumed to be abandoned by the mother or the parent. It's an offence under 317 IPC. But right now police will not know who is the mother who has done this, so they will have to register offence against unknown mother. It's a criminal offence. You have to take care of the baby right now. That will continue till as long as is required. And other side, the police has to investigate, has to find out who is this. Normally the procedure is, this is the police work. You go under so many hospitals, check somebody has delivered, check the records. Then also it could be a natural delivery somewhere else. So the investigation has to continue.
In a tragic and gruesome accident that occurred near the Ribandar police outpost this morning, Supriya Naik, a 25-year-old girl from Kundai, was killed on the spot when she was run over by a speeding Kadamba transport bus. Supriya, an employee of the Department of Archives and Archaeology, was on her way to work at Panjim with her friend Sudhamani Gaude on a motorcycle when a Kadamba bus that was speeding towards Panjim knocked them down and then ran over Supriya. Supriya suffered fatal head injuries and died on the spot, while Sudhamani had a narrow escape. We think it is high time now that the authorities at the Directorate of Transport sit back and take note of such incidents caused due to rash and negligent driving of the KTC drivers and fix the much touted speed governors on the state-owned Kadamba Transport Corporation buses first and save valuable human lives. We'll spill into a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. How many times can you expect an accident to occur at the same spot? Once, twice, thrice maybe. But at this precarious spot opposite the entrance to the Kundai Industrial Estate, 8 accidents have been reported in the last few months. 3 shops line the stretch of road that runs parallel to the gate of the Kundai Industrial Estate, and this is the place where the accidents have occurred, causing damage to the shops. Speaking to Goa 365, a shop owner explained his disillusionment about the frequent accidents.
गाड्यो चलोवंक लागलेल्या 8 फावटी एक्सिडेंट जाले. 6 ट्रक व्हडले असले आनी 2 बारीक. हे ट्रककार कितें जाता करता, एक्सिडेंट जालो म्हणटकीर म्हाका थोडे पयशे दिता. समज एक 50,000 लुकसाण जालें जाल्यार 10,000 दिता आनी परत हांव मोडटा. आनी लास्ट म्हाका फायदो म्हणटा तो कितेंच मेळना, वयल्यान लुकसाण जाता.
The concerned authorities have failed to initiate any precautionary measures despite the spot being a proven accident trap. Speaking to Goa 365, the assistant engineer PWD Ponda, Lakshmikant Naik, told us about the arrangements that will now be put in place to avert accidents from occurring at this spot in future.
कुंडय आयडीसी मुखार जी शॉप्स आसात आमी पळयतात की सदांच एक म्हाका दिसता एक वर्सा भितर 7-8 एक्सिडेंट जाले. तो मेन कारण हें जें कितें आयडीसींतल्यान ज्यो गाडी येतात सकयल देंवतात तो देंवती खूबच आसा आनी देंवती एज वेल एज ते वलती आसले कारणान गाडयांचो कंट्रोल उरना ड्रायव्हरांचो आनी गाडी एकदम त्यो शॉपांक घुसतात. आनी हेजेर आमी सोल्युशन काडलां की तो वयल्यान जो रोड येता आयडीसींतलो तो बंद करतले आनी सकल्यान तुबोबी मुखार आमी जंक्शन चालू आसा तें जंक्शन तयार जातकीर हो रस्तो बंद केलो की हो सगळो तो एक्सिडेंट जावपाचो स्पॉट आसा तो कायमचो बंद जातलो.